Tesla continues to push the boundaries of what electric vehicles can do, and the Model Y is no exception. In this video, I'll break down 11 compelling reasons why the Model Y stands out. From its impressive performance to its innovative features, there's a lot to love about this car. Stick with me, and by the end of this video, you'll see why the Model Y could be your next ride. Let's jump right in. When considering the security of your next vehicle, the Model Y is in a class of its own for one reason. It's one of the least stolen cars on the road. First off, many criminals simply avoid EVs because their parts don't have the same lucrative resale value as traditional car parts. Think about it, there's not really a black market for Tesla batteries like there is for catalytic converters. And besides, batteries are much harder to steal than catalytic converters. But it's not just about the lack of valuable parts. The Model Y's advanced security features make it a nightmare for would-be thieves. Every Tesla comes with a suite of cameras that's constantly monitoring its surroundings. This isn't just a gimmick, it's a game changer. Those cameras are always watching, recording, and deterring criminal activity. Sentry mode is like having a personal security guard for your car ready to notify you the second anything suspicious happens. And let's talk about how difficult it is to actually steal a Tesla. You can't just hotwire a Model Y. Without the owner's smartphone, key fob, or key card in close proximity, the car is essentially a giant immovable brick. The heightened security means that you can rest easier knowing the likelihood of theft is dramatically lower. Also, you can view the exact location of your Tesla at any time via the Tesla app. So if even someone does steal it, they can't hide for long. And also an extra layer of security is pin to drive. If someone steals your phone or keycard, they need to know the 4-digit pin to actually put the car in drive. That peace of mind alone is worth considering when you're thinking about your next car purchase. When it comes to performance, Teslas are in a league of their own, and this is a standout reason to consider the Model Y. The instant torque and jaw-dropping acceleration are more than just numbers on a spec sheet. They're a visceral experience that sets Teslas apart from the competition. When you're merging onto a highway or navigating through city traffic, the Model Y's electric powertrain delivers an exhilarating surge of power that makes every drive feel like a thrill ride. With advanced aerodynamics and a low center of gravity thanks to the battery placement, the Model Y handles like a dream. It's not just fast in a straight line, it's nimble and responsive, hugging corners with confidence that rivals many sports cars. Imagine a vehicle that can go toe-to-toe with high-performance gas-powered cars, but still functions as a practical daily driver. The Model Y can comfortably seat 5 people, making it a perfect blend of speed and utility. Now obviously what makes this performance so unique is its electric powertrain. Unlike traditional internal combustion engine vehicles that require a series of mechanical processes to generate power, the Model Y's high-speed electric motors deliver power directly to the wheels. This means instantaneous acceleration with no lag, providing a smooth, seamless driving experience that feels almost futuristic. Tesla has just updated the referral program, and they're basically giving out free money. You can get a whopping $1,000 off a brand new Tesla for just using someone's referral link, $1,000 off the Cybertruck, Model S, and Model X, and $500 off the Model 3 and the Model Y. Stack that with a $7,500 federal tax credit and you've got a sweet deal. Oh, and local state credits like the $6,000 off in Colorado are also available. Those are some serious savings if you're looking to purchase a Tesla. And if you're looking to get into a Tesla, now is a great time, and using my referral link in the description is the best way to save big while upgrading your ride. If I were in the market for a Tesla, I'd buy now since there are talks of the federal tax incentive permanently going away in the coming months. So it's best to take advantage of that $7,500 while you can. The Tesla Model Y's panoramic glass roof isn't just a feature, it's an experience. Stretching seamlessly from the front to the back, this expansive glass panel transforms the cabin into an open, airy space that feels far larger than it actually is. The unobstructed view of the sky adds a sense of freedom to every drive, whether you're cruising through the city or parked under a starry night. What makes this feature even more impressive is how it enhances the Model Y's versatility. With Tesla's camp mode, you can convert your car into a cozy sleeping space, perfect for overnight adventures. The rear seats fold completely flat, giving you up to 76 cubic feet of space, plenty of room for a custom-fitted mattress. Imagine lying back, gazing at the stars, all while the cabin maintains your ideal temperature. This glass roof isn't just about aesthetics, it's about elevating every journey, offering a unique blend of practicality and luxury that's hard to beat. Now let's dive into reason number 4, and trust me, this feature is doing some heavy lifting: towing capability. The Tesla Model Y isn't just an electric crossover with sleek looks, it's a robust workhorse that can handle serious tasks. Equipped with a high-strength steel tow bar and a 2-inch hitch receiver, the Model Y can tow up to 3,500 pounds. That's enough to haul a small camper, a small boat, or a fully loaded trailer, making it perfect for weekend warriors and adventure seekers alike. However, towing with an EV comes with its own set of challenges. The most significant being its impact on range. When towing, an electric vehicle like the Model Y can lose up to 50% of its range, which is a crucial consideration for long trips. But Tesla's extensive supercharger network helps mitigate some of this issue, making it easier to plan out your journey with charging stops along the way. Understanding this balance is key to fully enjoying the Model Y's towing capabilities. And with the right planning, this electric SUV offers a combination of power and practicality that's pretty hard to beat. Hey guys, real quick, if you haven't already, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and hit that like button. Your support means a lot. Did you know that in the United States, a motor vehicle theft or attempted theft occurs every 36 seconds? And that's not even counting the countless car break-ins that happen daily. Now fortunately for Teslas, as I mentioned earlier, Sentry Mode steps in to offer a next level defense. This feature utilizes the car's external cameras to monitor its surroundings while parked, keeping a vigilant eye on potential threats. If anything unusual happens, whether it's a bump or someone getting too close, the car alerts you and records the incident, giving you a comprehensive video log for later review. Now, but it does not stop there. Sentry Mode allows you to monitor your car in real time through the Tesla app, and you can even remotely flash the lights, honk the horn, or broadcast audio through the car's speakers. It's like having a personal security system built into your vehicle. Now, every new Tesla comes standard with a 128GB thumb drive for storing these recordings, but upgrading to an SSD is a smart move for durability and capacity, especially with the constant video overwrites. I will link some recommended SSDs in the description so you can take full advantage of this powerful feature. The interior of the Model Y is a masterclass in design and functionality, setting it apart from other vehicles in its class. Step inside and you'll notice a sleek modern layout that combines style with substance. The spacious open design gives the cabin an inviting feel, enhanced by the panoramic glass roof that floods the interior with natural light and offers stunning views of the sky above. It's a kind of feature that makes long car drives more enjoyable and elevates the overall experience. But it's not just about aesthetics. As I mentioned, the Model Y offers an impressive 76 cubic feet of cargo space, with the rear seats folded down, making it incredibly versatile for everything from grocery runs to weekend getaways. The seats are comfortable and supportive, ensuring that the passengers have a pleasant ride no matter how long the journey. On top of that, the high-tech features like the large touchscreen display and premium sound system add a layer of sophistication and convenience that enhances every drive. It's a space designed not just for getting you from point A to point B, but for making the journey as enjoyable as the destination. Reason number 7, versatility. The Model Y isn't just a car, it's a multifaceted powerhouse that seamlessly combines over 300 miles of range, a blistering 3.5 second 0 to 60 acceleration, and generous cargo space into one sleek package. This 5-seater crossover is redefining what it means to be versatile. Whether you're commuting to work, embarking on a road trip, the Model Y adapts effortlessly. Its spacious interior and flexible seating configurations make it ideal for families, while its electric drivetrain delivers a smooth, responsive ride that's as thrilling as it is efficient. This combination of range, speed, and practicality is what makes the Model Y a global bestseller. It doesn't just meet the needs of today's drivers, it anticipates them, offering a driving experience that's as dynamic and versatile as your lifestyle. Autopilot is a feature that redefines the driving experience, showcasing Tesla's relentless push towards innovation and automation. It's not just about convenience, it's about transforming how we interact with our vehicles. Autopilot handles everything from highway cruising to stop-and-go traffic, offering a glimpse into the future of driving. While it's not yet fully autonomous, the system provides significant assistance, reducing driver fatigue on long trips and enhancing safety through features like automatic lane changes and adaptive cruise control. For those ready to take it a step further though, Tesla's full self-driving FSD option brings even more advanced capabilities. With features like navigate on autopilot, auto lane change, and even summon, FSD moves closer to a hands-free driving reality. And as Tesla continues to roll out updates, the system becomes more refined, constantly improving and adapting to real-world conditions. Whether you're commuting through rush hour or embarking on a cross-country road trip, Autopilot and FSD turn the Model Y into more than just a car. It becomes a co-pilot ready to assist at every turn. It's the perfect blend of cutting-edge tech and everyday practicality, making your drive smarter and more intuitive. Let's delve into reason number 9, safety, a cornerstone of the Tesla Model Y's design. Safety isn't just a feature, it's an obsession at Tesla. The Model Y has earned a coveted 5-star safety rating from the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, and it's easy to see why. From its rigid body structure to its low center of gravity, every aspect of the Model Y is engineered to keep its occupants safe. The floor-spanning battery pack not only stabilizes the vehicle, reducing the risk of rollovers, but it also enhances the car's structural integrity, acting as a protective shield in collisions. In a frontal crash, the absence of a traditional engine allows for a larger crumple zone, absorbing more impact and reducing the force transfer to passengers. The reinforced glass roof is another standout, capable of withstanding up to 20,000 pounds of force, providing robust protection in the event of a rollover. The Model Y isn't just about surviving accidents, it's also about preventing them altogether. Tesla's supercharging network is a game changer for EV owners and is a key reason why the Model Y stands out. Imagine having access to over 60,000 superchargers worldwide, strategically placed along major routes and near your convenient stops like restaurants and shopping centers. It's more than just a charging station, it's a travel enabler. With the ability to add up to 200 miles of range in just 15 minutes, long-distance travel becomes effortless, erasing the traditional concerns of range anxiety. Tesla's network isn't just the largest, it's also the fastest, allowing Model Y drivers to venture further with minimal downtime. Compared to other EVs where charging infrastructure can be sparse or slower, Tesla's supercharging network feels like an exclusive VIP lane for road trips. It's a critical piece of Tesla's ecosystem designed to keep you on the move, whether you're commuting daily or exploring new horizons. This extensive network ensures that owning a Tesla isn't just about enjoying the drive, but it's also about having the freedom to go wherever the road takes you with the confidence that a fast charge is never far away. Home charging is one of the most compelling reasons to consider a Tesla Model Y, and it's the convenience that fundamentally changes how you think about fueling a car. Imagine waking up every morning to a fully charged vehicle ready to tackle the day. Charging at home is simple, cost-effective, and incredibly convenient. With a standard 120-volt outlet, you get a slow trickle charge at about 3 to 4 miles of range per hour. While this is fine for the occasional top-ups, a level 2 charger is where the magic happens. Installing a 240-volt outlet similar to a dryer plug boosts charging speeds to around 30 miles of range per hour. But for the fastest and most seamless experience, the Tesla wall connector is the ultimate home charging solution, delivering up to 44 miles of range per hour. It's perfect for overnight charging, ensuring you're always ready to hit the road. The installation cost varies, so it's wise to get multiple quotes from electricians. Now once you're set up, home charging turns the Model Y into the ultimate daily driver, offering unparalleled convenience and efficiency. After diving into these 11 standout features of the Model Y, I'm curious, what's your favorite? Which feature do you find the most compelling, and is there anything you think Tesla could improve? Drop your thoughts in the comments down below. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.